Have you heard that elephants are the only mammals that can't jump? Do you know that a newborn kangaroo is about the size of a lima bean and completes its development in its mother's pouch? Listen to this: a giraffe's tongue can be up to 18 inches long and is prehensile, helping them grasp leaves. Have you ever heard that a group of owls is called a parliament? Have you heard? Dogs have a unique sense called whisker fatigue, which can occur from overstimulation of their whiskers. Stay tuned and follow for more.